What's up, everyone? So here, just like the title said, we're making a beaver to a wiener. So what we got is 2.5 pounds of beaver, 2.5 pounds of pork. So the pork I bought are just pork steaks from Walmart. I wanted to add some fat. It calls for 5 pounds of hot dogs, 2.5 pounds of game, to 3 pounds of pork, but I only have 2.5, so we're sticking with that. And then seasoning, already pre-mixed out. Ice water is calling for I don't know what. So what we gotta do is run this meat through a coarse grinder and then the fine grinder before we put it in the casing. All right, so we got all our meat ground up, pork and beaver. So it's saying to add our spice. So the spice out of this kit, I don't know if I mentioned, it smells more like a sausage to me. It doesn't really smell like a hot dog, but that's me. So it's saying to add this, and we're gonna mix this with 2.5 ounces of ice water. So I don't have an ounce measuring. So what I got is a tablespoon, and 5 tablespoons is 2.5 ounces. Now it says to mix. Now we're mixed up. All right, we switched out the coarse blade, now we got the fine blade in there. Per the instructions of High Mountain, through the fine grinder again. So this meat is super sticky. I'd assume that's from that water. I don't know, I'm not a cook. All right, so we got our meat ground up twice. Now we gotta stuff it in the casing. And I just wanted to mention, I don't know if you've noticed my Foxyflattails Trappers Love Eager Beavers t-shirt. So, but with that being said, we are going to now stuff our hot dogs. See what they taste like. That was an epic fail. So, we got hot dogs. They look more like a kielbasa. There's one that I kind of have done. Right there is a finished beaver wiener. We're gonna cook one up and try it out. So you're looking at an official Foxyflattails beaver wiener. Looks more like a sausage to me. I cooked this little guy for the dog. You can see the texture on the inside looks like a hot dog itself. So let's give it a whirl and see what she tastes like. All right, there's our beaver wiener going in a bun. It's actually really good. There's a good snap to the casing. I think I overstuffed the casing to a point. I mean, I'm not a professional hot dog guy or cook or anything, but this is really good. Here's that kit that I used. If you guys want to give it a whirl, that's what it is. High Mountain Home Hot Dog Making Kit. And I wasted a lot of casing, not on purpose, and they still gave me 3 more. And that was 5 pounds of meat. It got me this pile of hot dogs right here. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.